Good morning, everyone. Coffee first, followed by gratitude journal. Super busy day ahead with another open house. Originally, I wanted to take a break from real estate, but this is a great opportunity. I don't want to pass it up.
Starting route to 16-2.
Okay, finally ready to go. I'm collaborating with a friend, and this particular house has a really high price point. Okay, so that was a very busy open house. A lot of groups come in, and it was super fun doing it with a friend. Afterward, we also had a video showing. My friend Kate, she and I did it together. It was a good time. And this week we decided to partner up again. Now I have to go back home and write a report. My gosh, finally home. I am famished. Onion pancakes are just fine. Plus, pork chop. So I just followed up with some of the contacts from today's open house. And of course, they are neither pre-approved or ready to pull the trigger. I have this love-hate relationship with open houses. They're great for putting my name out there, but most people they're just shopping around. The current statistic out there is 40 open houses per one client. I am on my 17th open house, so the verdict is still out. After working out, I write a traffic report to the listing agent. Usually, I try to motivate for an offer. Unfortunately, today, no offer. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Another long day in real estate. Right, before passing out, have a good night.